Okay guys, what this is a tip that helps with your casting, and this is something I learned from Lefty Kreh like last year. Just a little accessory, if you will, that you know, we can get these readily and they don't cost you anything. I'll be giving away a bunch actually of these guys at the Green Fest next Saturday up by Lake Ray Roberts. And what it is you take one of these guys. If you're having trouble with your casting, if you're getting pain or any kind of tennis elbow back in here, you can alleviate that really simply by getting one part of your casting under control, and that is not breaking your wrist so much when you cast. If you keep your wrist stiff to where you have that butt of that rod against your wrist like that, and you're making your casting motion, what you'll find is that it takes all these small muscle groups out of the play of the cast and concentrates your power and your strength in the larger muscle groups. This is what Lefty showed me, and what it did was I was having a problem with tennis elbow, and sure enough he showed me how this works. And then I didn't need it after a while because I got into the habit of feeling that rod butt right there. But that is one way to give you more power and more endurance when it comes to casting a bigger rod or even a small rod all day long, is to keep from breaking that wrist. Just put that right there like that. Leave it on there as long as you need it. You know, maybe just a few casts will straighten you out for the day. But wear these on the water. There's those rubber band type things. If you don't have one, let me know and I'll send you one. And it's a great little casting accessory, so to speak. It's more functional than actually form. So keep that in mind when it comes to casting. Always look for Lefty Kreh's videos wherever you might find them. And if you are debating on what kind of casting videos and you know, trying to get into learning how to cast for the first time, be sure and check out the Lefty Kreh videos.